taught me in that moment how to be really, really present. And then just dogs are courageous. I think a lot of people don't really realize that, but I find dogs to be so courageous. There's a dog there right now. It's a breed I don't know much about. His name is Philippe, and he's a Dogo Argentino. And I was telling Scott, if this dog grows into his big block head, he will probably be about at least 150 pounds. But he's now a tripod. He came in with a leg injury in his hind leg, right hind leg, and they had to amputate it. And just watching him go from like this dog who couldn't stand, and now he's able to almost run as a tripod, and it might have been what, 4 or 5 weeks
Close to that,
since
yeah.
surgery. So I just think that's so courageous, right?